Located in Durango, Colorado, SoundTraxx proudly designs and manufactures our industry-best products right here in the USA, and our friendly customer support staff works side by side with the rest of our product team. Let's take a tour. The manufacturing process goes through a series of steps to ensure that the product is made to the highest of standards. Each processor and memory chip is carefully programmed before the assembly process begins. Each assembly unit has its own unique stencil, which is very similar to screen printing on a t-shirt. In this case, the machine will use the stencil to lay solder paste very precisely on the circuit board. Parts are kitted from the stockroom and loaded onto the SMT line. The SMT machine stands for Surface Mount Technology, also commonly called pick-and-place machines. These machines contain two surface mount assembly robots that place all the components onto the printed circuit board. When all the parts have been placed by the SMT machine, the operator does a visual inspection to quickly identify any placement issues before the panel makes its way to the soldering oven. Every assembly has its own oven profile, which tells the oven what temperature to melt the solder paste. The soldering oven has 8 separate zones that help create the perfect reflow process, lowering defects during the soldering process. After the soldering process is complete, boards begin their quality control process at the flying probe tester, which tests for continuity, proper parts, and potential errors, including internal shorts. Occasionally, and especially for large parts, we will use our selective soldering machine. Before functional testing can begin, the PCBs are individually cut from the panel. Every single circuit board is tested for proper operation and audio verification before it leaves the factory. So thanks for taking a quick tour of our manufacturing floor. For more information on all our amazing products, you can find us online at SoundTraxx.com.